Hey everybody, I'm Luca. Today I will get you started with your ZEISS ScanCobot. To kick things off, we will have a look at what comes with your system and how to set it up correctly. Feel free to pause at any point to follow along. There are also chapter segments if you wish to skip ahead. Let's get started. As you can see, the system comes already fully assembled and contains the robot module with the rotation table inside. The robot we are using is a collaborative robot that brings the big advantage of collision safety and no demand for extra housing as a safety area. Connected to the robot module is a working station for the operator. All of this is powered by a single power supply with a standardized plug for your region. This makes setting up the system super easy and intuitive. The strength of the ScanCobot is its flexibility. Thanks to the wheels the system is mounted on, you can just move it around easily in your factory and place it at a different production line on your shop floor. Let's fix the wheels before we proceed. Now we're good to go. Next step, powering on ScanCobot using the main power switch. Now that the system is ready and the PC is powered on, we can explore our software platform ZEISS Quality Suite. It provides access to various services and software variants from ZEISS and grants access to additional technical resources such as e-learning, training courses and tech guides, as well as inspection apps. Now that you are aware of all that the ZEISS Quality Suite has to offer, let's click on ZEISS INSPECT Optical 3D. The ZEISS INSPECT software opens with a start screen where you will see a few classic options. These options include creating a new project, opening an existing or recently used project, or project templates, as well as accessing the Getting Started software guide. Let's open a project. You will see that the software is divided into different workspaces on the vertical ribbon on the left side of the screen. The workspaces are dedicated to certain tasks depending on the system you are using. For ScanCobot, we will see the dedicated workspace for measuring and inspection. Below that, we have the reporting workspace. As you can tell, here we can also find our virtual measurement room, which is essential for automated scanning. It comes with the ScanCobot and is configured to your system. We will find out more about that in the next episodes. The only thing that is left in setting up the system is the initialization of the sensor. And that's all there is to it. A super straightforward and simple setup is what makes the difference for our solutions. Now you're all set up and ready to scan. If you experience anything different from what you have seen here, or if you have any questions about getting started on your ScanCobot, please reach out to us via support@HandsOnMetrology.com. For more getting started information, please check out our other videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.